$43,170.32, $8,286.45, and $1,607.93. And this is the amount people have made on TikTok's rewards program. And I'm going to show you how you guys can create videos just like these that are getting millions of views on TikTok. And just so you guys know, the creator for this account is making thousands of dollars just on video views. And keep in mind, you guys can post these videos on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and even Pinterest. In today's way, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can create these videos for free. First, we're going to go on ChatGPT and then write the following prompt. Write image prompts of a cat cooking a burger, but make sure it's a series of steps. Make sure to make it in detail and colorful so I can create images. And you can do any food that you like, such as spaghetti. And here are the image prompts. I'm gonna just tell ChatGPT to write more for different foods, but make sure that the cat is not cartoon, but realistic. And then we're gonna tell ChatGPT to make it step by step for each food. And here are the final image prompts. Now we're gonna just copy. Then we're gonna go on Leonardo AI and then click on Create Image. And then we're gonna paste the image prompt that we created on ChatGPT. Make sure you choose Leonardo Phoenix 1.0 for your fine-tuned model. And for your image dimensions, make sure you click on 9:16. And then click on Generate. Keep in mind, Leonardo AI does give you 150 daily free tokens that you guys can use to create your videos and images, so definitely take advantage of them and use them wisely. Here's how our image looks like. Now we're going to convert it into a video. Click on Motion, then keep the motion strength to 3, and then click on Generate. Here's how our video looks like. Now we're going to click on the arrow on the upper right hand corner, and then we're going to download our video. Now we're going to remove the Leonardo AI watermark. We're just going to remove it on our camera roll. And now we're going to go on CapCut and put all of the pictures and videos that we created on Leonardo AI, put them all in one video, and then you can also put transitions to increase your audience retention rate as well. And then when you're done, you're going to click on the arrow on the upper right hand corner to download your video. And that's it. You're ready to post, and thanks for watching.